Hello guys, welcome to this channel, and today I'm going to help one of our friend in our community. She is asking about how to recreate this design into Canva because I think she is using another program. So I hope I can help her. So before we are heading to this design, how I recreate the design, first of all, I would like to introduce myself. My name is Sius Sarumaha. I come from Indonesia and I'm living in Bali. If you have some time, you can come to Bali to visit. Okay, guys, let's go. Okay, so this is the final of the design that I made. And is it possible to design this one into Canva? Yes, absolutely, 100% we can make it, but with different way. Okay, so this is the element I used. Is one is a round shape diagram and the second one is a round stem icon. So how do we make this one? Make sure this one is recolorable. Yes, colorable. You can change the color as you like. So I can show you this. You can put in this color, blue, black, and it's up to you. Okay, so let's go to the next step. Okay, so this is the final design, and I will just like to redesign. How do I make this design? So I need to ungroup this one. So as I mentioned before, we need to get the round. So this round shape diagram, and the second one is round stem icon. So this round shape diagram, I changed the color become white, so I just follow with the design that she upload in here. All right, okay, wait a second. So I changed the color become white, and after that I group it. So you need to make it the same again. You need to just copy paste and make it smaller. You can still make it smaller and change the color, become blue, and again you need to copy paste again and make it smaller, adjust the size, put inside, and you can change the color become become something like pink I mean. So you can adjust the color, okay, as like that. And now as simple as that. This is the way how Canva can create the design that mentioned by our friend Issa Waters in here. Okay, so mine is done, and I hope she can make it later on after watching this video. And for example, if you like to add some more here, these kind of triangles on this page, you just copy paste. Okay, you need to copy paste and put on top of it, and just turning until you get on the right position, and you will get. So that's it, simple, just in case you need some more here. Okay, that's all from me, and I hope this is such a big help for her, so that you don't have to go to another application, so you can just use the trick how to create the kind of design that you use on the other applications. Okay, thank you very much, and have a good one today. If this tutorial is useful for you, please subscribe, and if you don't like to get any notification from me, please do not subscribe. Okay, enjoy and have fun with Canva. Alright, see you again on the next tutorial. Bye bye.